Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. In this video, I'll be updating you thoroughly on the state of the cryptocurrency market and explaining all you need to know about the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. What is the current state of cryptocurrency prices? To what do they look forward? In this video, we'll explain everything in detail. To show your approval, please click the thumbs up button. So, without further ado, let's watch the video. So first off, I just wanted to let you know that we are now in one of the best stages we've had in the past year. Check out this brand new piece of news from CNBC. On Friday, Bitcoin reached its highest level in almost a year, briefly surpassing $31,000. In addition, I'd like to thank everyone who's been following along over the past year. Believe me when I say that it hasn't been easy. A number of people have left the cryptocurrency industry recently. However, I believe you will be in a very excellent position when we achieve widespread adoption in the crypto sector and prices really do start to explode, especially if you have been a subscriber or watcher who has been consistently, tuning in, staying up to date. And if we do, look at some of these graphs. If you look at the Bitcoin price over the course of a year, you'll see that we're at the sweet spot. Clearly, the period from the end of December 2022 to the start of 2023 was quite cold. Previously, the crypto industry was as cold as ice, but there have been many recent positive developments. The future appears promising. CNBC has several upbeat articles. And that's the kind of crypto we're looking for. There are other bullish signals right now. Check this one out, would you? On Tuesday, the ETF that will leverage Bitcoin will begin trading. In any case, this is quite exciting. After receiving approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Friday, the Volatility Shares 2x Bitcoin Strategy ETF will be the first leveraged cryptocurrency ETF in the country. And that's quite thrilling indeed. More ETF products are entering the market, and one of the most anticipated is the BlackRock ETF, which has yet to be released. So, if the BlackRock ETF gives the okay, we can move forward. The cryptocurrency industry is due for some highly optimistic developments. In addition, Jim Cramer is sending mixed signals. If you're unfamiliar with Jim Cramer, think of him as the financial world's clown. Therefore, everything he says invariably has the opposite effect. So Bitcoin has increased by 75% since January, when Jim Cramer warned investors to sell. If you look at the graph again, you'll see that Jim Cramer was warning the whole financial sector to dump their Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price turned around and we've practically done a 2x from the bottom in December 2022, since this guy is generally always wrong and it's a piece of comedy. The Bitcoin market is currently experiencing unprecedented prosperity. Robert F. Kennedy, 2. In my opinion, the U.S. presidential election of 2024 will be one of the most influential events of that year. We hope the United States will adopt crypto-friendly policies. Robert F. Kennedy, Jr. has spoken highly of Bitcoin, stating that CBDCs are instruments of control and that this is a monumental development. One of the most significant trends that many governments are quietly pushing at the moment, but which could have far-reaching implications for citizens' financial freedom, is the use of CBDCs. Can they put a hold on your funds? These are the major issues that can be settled. People's right to privacy and the right to economic independence are both up for grabs. R.F. Kennedy essentially says that he is a Bitcoin fan. Right now, he has a strong dislike towards CBDCs. In other words, he promises to work toward regulations that encourage the use of Bitcoin, protect users' privacy, and give them control over their wallets, nodes, and private keys. And he'll only permit the minimum safeguards required to stop laundering cash right there. And he's the antithesis of many other politicians we've seen. Alright, so you've heard of Elizabeth Warren. She advocates for a ban on DeFi wallets. Many of these items are on her list to outlaw. In 2024, Robert F. Kennedy will run for office as a pro-crypto politician. Do more U.S. politicians need to support crypto? If we are fortunate enough to elect a competent leader for the United States, that will be a crucial question for your altcoin portfolio. In 2024, I predict that the cryptocurrency market will be quite exciting. The IMF has also accepted defeat to a certain extent. They've admitted right here that trying to outlaw crypto will fail. Therefore, this is excellent news for us. They've finally realized it's pointless to try to outlaw crypto. They can no longer contain the genie. That's code for we're going to actively promote CBDC, they say. Everyone is wondering if institutions like the International Monetary Fund can be trusted. Can we have faith in our government? The question is whether or not we have faith in the CBDC platform they plan to propose. Since the IMF and other large nations haven't exactly done the finest things recently, I'm not sure how much faith I should put in them. However, this is something we must keep in mind, so we will be sure to monitor future developments involving CBD-rich cannabis products. This is a pretty significant source for this tweet. Numbers 1 through 4 connote that the FUD should be disregarded. So, what exactly is today's critical warning for Binance? In such case, consider this. Binance has been told by one Belgian regulator that it must end all of its cryptocurrency-related operations there. So, on Friday, Belgium's SMA regulator announced that the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, has been ordered to immediately halt offering any virtual services in the country. As a result, Binance is under increasing amounts of stress once more. Here in Brazil, the cryptocurrency exchange Binance is starting to get some unwanted attention. What do I think about this, contextually speaking? In my opinion, the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, and now Belgium, have all shown a pattern of targeting Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange. What do I truly believe to be true? I believe the leading cryptocurrency exchange in 2017 was Binance. It became incredibly popular. But as you can see, Wall Street is making moves into the cryptocurrency market. What exactly are their goals? Wall Street and other large banks, representing major financial organizations with considerable clout, are likely interested in becoming the premier cryptocurrency exchange. Thus, they aim to exert financial dominance. That is what I think. And they're really simply using force to get Binance to penalize Binance. I don't think it's really fair, but that seems to be the story that's taking shape. And I promise I'm not sugarcoating anything on the channel. You can think what you like, but the fact is that numerous nations are actively working to shut down Binance by means of various penalties and outright bans. It would make a lot of sense to me if huge Wall Street organizations and groups were aiming to displace Binance so that they could establish a monopoly over the cryptocurrency exchange market. Sad, however, is still busily putting in hours at the office. Okay, he's in Kazakhstan now. You can watch him sign Binance into various documents in Kazakhstan, from left to right. So it's possible that we'll get Borat the whale. He plans to invest all of his Kazakhstani wealth in cryptocurrencies. Perhaps the price of cryptocurrencies will increase if Borat invests in them. Who can guess how much Borat has saved up? Is he considering Bitcoin purchases? Are high-value altcoins in the cards? There's just one way to find out. However, will Binance actually launch in Kazakhstan? It seems to be in that precise location. Amazingly thrilling. Right here you can also see that Michael Saylor has a positive outlook on Bitcoin. Keep in mind that we support a rising Bitcoin price even if you don't personally own any cryptocurrency. This would be incredibly exciting if we could raise Bitcoin's price to $40,000 or $50,000. And you can observe the adoption of a Bitcoin standard and the rise of Bitcoin since August 10, 2020, right here. In the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is dominating. And look, the crypto market is going crazy. I'm hoping to make an announcement shortly about how great Bitcoin is performing compared to, say, the stock market. And, as I've mentioned previously, it makes no sense to me that gold and silver, which should rise in an inflationary climate, sometimes fall instead. The gold and silver markets may be manipulated, but I can't say for sure. There, right now, is where all the funny action is. The price of cryptocurrencies may be rising, which is good news. And here is further proof that Bitcoin is unstoppable. Yes, you heard me correctly. You can't stop crypto. No one can stop it now. The genie can't put it back in its bottle. The magic has been released, and now things are really heating up. And if you take a high-level view of the week for crypto guys, you'll see that it's been incredible. So far, we've been discussing Pepe. You all know how much we adore Pepe. Why? Because it's a fun cryptocurrency with a large and supportive user base. And on top of all that, it has been generating massive profits for its users. That's a weekly increase of 65%, and it's clear that most cryptocurrencies have had a very bullish week. Switching to the daytime hours also reveals that several cryptocurrencies have positive momentum. Today, many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, are performing well. And if we do get this mass adoption coming into cryptocurrency, Wall Street money coming in, even though there's strong arming crypto exchanges out of the market, I think it'll be good for the Bitcoin price and the cryptocurrency prices, so I think the current calm in the crypto market could be the calm before the storm. Bitcoin is clearly doing well right now. You can see some of the blue chip altcoins, such as BNB, XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin, all pushing up by 2.4%. Solana is up 3.8% and looking delicious. Pepe is up too, so Pepe is looking exciting, up 2.3%, 66% on the week, while Terra Classic is up too, so it is maintaining stable on the market today. SHIB is holding steady, and I believe you know, a lot of these cryptocurrencies they're going to be very, very exciting bets. This is a huge crypto news for the day, guys. Just give the huge crypto updates a big thumbs up if you like them. I'd like to have you all join me on Twitter. In what digital currencies do you have a bullish outlook for the weekend? What a pleb, said the king of plebs. Sigh up, all you pleb holders, and hear me out finally, holy dog, dude, Joel exclaims. Send your praises up to the holy Doge guy. Moon pies and secret mean currency, according to him. All the cryptos in your portfolio deserve a big thank you from you guys right now. I hope they increase, and if you're interested in cryptocurrency, you can get some free advice about where to invest in the future by signing up for my email list. I've set up a secret Telegram channel for you all. Ask your cryptocurrency-related questions and find out about cutting-edge crypto projects in real time by posting them in our Telegram channel and supporting us on Patreon. Minute-by-minute crypto tax filing. In the United Kingdom and Australia, it will soon be tax time. If you use this cryptocurrency monitoring program for taxes, you can save 10%. The value of APIs cannot be overstated. So, this stuff can help you save a lot of time if you enable application programming interfaces. So, take my advice with a grain of salt. If you utilize the link in the video description, you'll save an extra 10%. Plus, you can try it out for free. If you're just interested in giving it a try. As well as savings on virtual private networks, VPNs, and crypto trading bonuses. Wow, that's some serious news. I appreciate you everyone tuning in. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.